Hey folks, Chip Dick here at AirSight. Welcome back to the channel. I am doing this video and including a link down in the bottom to a video that shows a drone interfering with a helicopter. And not just any helicopter. This was a LifeFlight helicopter trying to get a child in critical care to a children's hospital. Drones are just becoming more and more of a threat each and every day. And when they're interfering with emergency operations, especially aircraft flying through the air, it becomes more and more dangerous. And that's why drone detection is becoming just an integral part of physical security. So watch the video below, make your own decisions, and think about if you were on that helicopter, would you want that pilot to have the most information to be able to respond to that drone incursion? So again, at AirSight, we're here to support you in your physical security needs and reach out for us. Happy to help. Again, thanks for watching and take care.